Hey, so you're thinking about moving to Kansas City, maybe new construction? Well, hey, in this video, we're gonna be taking a walk through this beautiful home built by Homes by Chris, show you what you can get for $1.2 million. This one happens to be sitting on a golf course at Staley Farms, but you could build this house anywhere in Kansas City. So hey, without further ado, let's go in and take a look. Hey, if this is your first time tuning into the channel, you want to know everything there is to know about living in Kansas City, new home construction, houses like this one behind me for 1.2, then click subscribe, hit that little bell for notifications so you can be the first to know the current market right here in the KC metro area. My name is Zach Morton. My business partner Max Jones, the Mojo Real Estate team, and I have been helping people move to Kansas City for over 20 years. We absolutely love it. We get calls and texts and emails from folks just like you every single day. But hey, you don't have to take our word for it. See what our clients have to say with over 600 verified 5-star Google reviews from folks just like you. So whether you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, just pick up that phone and give us a call, shoot us a text, drop us an email, even schedule a Zoom so we can chat with you about your goals and help you with that seamless transition into your new neighborhood or with your new builder to get your new home. So hey, let's go inside and take a look at this beauty. Like I said earlier, we are in Staley Farms, which is a golf course community. This one happens to be right on the 13th hole, so I can't wait to take you outside and show you that. But brand new construction. They are an award-winning builder right here in Kansas City. And you know, not only do we recommend these, but there's some people on the Mojo team that own properties built by Homes by Chris. So excited to show you this one today. Right from the entry, I mean, just take a look around. It's absolutely beautiful. We got the manufactured hardwoods that match the cabinets, vaulted ceilings, beautiful decor, built-ins around the TV, solid surfaces everywhere. Everybody wants counter space, counter space, counter space, and look at this. Absolutely beautiful. Countertops, the backsplash, we've got, you know, brand new gas stove, monogram appliances, dishwasher, hood fans, vaults, sliding. I mean, this thing just keeps going. We've got the cutting board that slides back and forth. I love this sink and what they've done. Of course, we got that too. Absolutely amazing. We've got dining over here, living room there, and then we've got the views of the 13th hole right out the back door. Now, I'm gonna hop in right behind you and show you the pantry while we're still in this kitchen. So we do have a nice big walk-in pantry, which is important, with a coffee station as well, what we're seeing a lot of people do in these. Gets all your coffee stuff off of your countertops, gets it back here out of sight, but easy access. Beautiful. They even went with the cabinets into there too, so looks gorgeous. Gas fireplace. In here we have office or a guest bedroom, and then we have a half bath right behind you. This style is actually a 4-bedroom, 4.5 bath home. It's built as a reverse ranch, which means you're gonna have the master and everything on this main level kitchen. Then you're gonna go downstairs to a walkout basement that has the other bedrooms. This could be a bedroom, this could be an office. Right now it's set up as an office. You still got those stunning views of the golf course, and if this was to be my house, I think I could sling some real estate from this office with the view. So this is what I would choose for my office, first choice. Also takes you in though to full bathroom. It's gorgeous as well. I love these roller doors that they've got on the shower. Kind of looks like the barn door. And then right into a closet full of natural light. I talk about the natural light in the closet all the time. I love to see that when we can get it. So that's the case here. All right, from the master bedroom, we're gonna have another bank of windows that again faces that golf course. Anytime you're on golf, acreage, lake properties, it's always nice when the master bedroom, the living room, office spaces like that take advantage of those views, and that's what they've done with this one. So absolutely incredible. We've got the vaulted ceilings in here, a very, very large master. Again, those windows are facing that, but look at this. Oh my goodness. Step into the master bath. Look at all this space in here. You've got a beautiful tub, dual vanity, solid top again, and then a nice large walk-in shower. Now, something you'll see repeated throughout this home is the tile work. They've done a lot of cool things with tile. We've got extra large tile on the ground. They've got some gold accents in here. But as we go down to the basement too, it's just kind of an ongoing theme. I love what they've done with this. Walk-in closet, lots of space. Got the metal hanger racks, that stuff that's gonna last forever, not those wooden ones that get warped after the first year, first summer when you get some humidity. And then that takes us into the laundry room too. This is a drop zone that you can get to right off the master, or you can also access it from the garage. So you got your washer dryer there, you've got all that counter space, you've got shelves, and then it's right off the garage. So you come in from a hard day of work, probably just a hard day of golf if it was me. Come in here, you can hang all your stuff up in this drop zone, kick your stuff into the dirty laundry, go in there, make yourself a plate to eat or grab a beer out of the fridge, and you are chilling. But while we're talking about the garage, they've even completely finished this garage, and they've added a lot of windows, so you've got all this light in here so you can see your stuff. They've gone the extra mile with the floor in here and finished that off. And then you've got the 2 doors with the 2 door openers. So just a great space, full of natural light, right up here on the ranch. We're taking 1 step and you're into the house and everything's on that main level. So a great floor plan that is very sought after nowadays. So I keep talking about this view. Let's go out and take a look at it. We have 12-foot Pella sliding doors. All these windows are aluminum clad, top-notch equipment here. And this steps out onto an oversized composite deck that's covered ceiling fans. And there we are. 13th hole. This house is at the end of a cul-de-sac, which they're getting ready to build down here too. So once that's all done, you're not going to have a lot of traffic at this end either, which is always kind of nice. Nice and quiet, just traffic with golfers going by. You can sit here and critique their shots. All right, stucco while I'm out here all the way around all 4 sides of this property. You'll see that in neighborhoods as you move up in price, that some will just have stucco on the front. And then as you get into the nicer neighborhoods, the nicer properties like this one, it'll be stucco on all 4 sides of the property. So you can really tell the nice ones when you see that. All right, let's go downstairs because this is really one of my favorite things about this property. This is the entertaining area. Again, we said this is a reverse, so master bedroom up. They also have that bonus or an office up, and then everything else is going to be down here. Nice wide steps coming down. Yeah, you can have 2-way traffic, easy to get things up and down, but yeah, really nice. Down to some massive tile. Look at this. See, I told you they had some cool tile work going on through here. Nice little seating area. Look at this. Another kitchen, bar area combo with some really cool lighting. You got a spot for your TV, you got a spot for the booze, you got the fridge down here, sink, everything. And again, we are looking out a bank of windows. These are 10-foot foundation walls, which gives you these extra high ceilings down here. Looking out to the golf course with a patio that's under your covered deck. So you are gonna have a dry spot to sit if it happened to be raining and you're using the space to entertain for maybe a Chiefs game, maybe a Royals game, or just having friends over on a Sunday afternoon to celebrate those scorecards. If that's not enough, this sweet space, they have a little bonus space over here. I think this is all ship wood that's been kind of pieced together to make this beautiful mosaic of a wall that they've got a TV hanging on, and just really cool space that you can just come down here, chill out with your friends, have the movies going, or have the kids in here while you guys are hanging out in the other room. So you can have 2 parties kicking at the same time. Really nice space. And then echo. We have a suspended garage, so when you do this, you get all this storage. So above us is the garage. You'll see this in a lot of properties. And if I was personally buying a property, I would go the extra mile to get this, because every seller or buyer we've ever worked with says, there's never enough storage, but when you do this, you get it, you can make it into whatever you want. So we've got the same footprint that 3-car garage is what you have down here for storage, easy to get to, and the sky is the limit. Think of all the shelves and Christmas stuff and Easter stuff. I mean, you could decorate for years. All right, and then another full bath down here that kind of caters to the entertaining of this lower level. Utilities in there, furnace. We've got a closet here, and then bedroom number 4. Nice and bright. They've got the Berber in here, so this carpet will last you forever. Takes you right on into a full bath. And then a nice walk-in closet. So very tastefully done. I just love the look of this one. Nice bright windows. Again, they're gonna have those golf course views right out the window. Isn't that rough? Gonna wake up every morning, look out your window, and see who's golfing out there today. So anyway, a great property. That price point, so we're coming right at 4,000 square feet. So it comes in right around for that price, $300 a square foot for brand new construction, top of the line everything, right here in Kansas City by Homes by Chris. Hey, if you want information, more information, please reach out to us. All the contact information is below. But really, I just want to thank you for watching. Please feel free to like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And hey, when you're ready for a conversation, just reach out. We look forward to chatting with you. Thanks again. We'll see you on the next one.